In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on camera in Google Meet. If you're in a Google Meet call and your camera is currently off, don't worry, this is very quick and easy to fix. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can turn your camera on with confidence. When you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom area of the screen where the call controls are located. This is where you'll usually find the main buttons for managing your audio, camera, and other meeting settings. Find the camera icon below. This is the button that controls whether your video is on or off during the meeting. Before you click anything, take a close look at the camera icon. If you see a red line visible across it, that means your camera is currently turned off. That red line is the visual indicator Google Meet uses to show that your video is disabled. So if other people in the meeting can't see you, this is likely the reason. To turn the camera on, simply click on the camera icon once. After you click it, check the icon again. If the red line is gone, that means your camera is now on. At that point, your video should become visible in the meeting and other participants should be able to see you. It's a good idea to pause for a second after clicking, just to make sure the camera activates properly. In most cases, the change happens almost instantly, but giving it a moment can help you confirm that everything updated correctly. You can also look at your own video preview on the screen to make sure the camera is active. So the key thing to remember is very simple. If the camera icon has a red line through it, your camera is off. Click the icon, and once the red line disappears, your camera is on. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple control, but knowing what the icon means makes Google Meet much easier to use, especially if you're joining meetings quickly or using it for the first time. Now you know exactly how to turn on your camera in Google Meet.